Hey guys, Stewart Venable from NuCanoe, and I want to take just a second and share with you guys my thoughts on the upcoming pivot drive. The pivot drive is an extremely versatile accessory for the NuCanoe, mainly because it allows you to transform a paddle kayak to a pedal kayak very quickly, very efficiently. Now, some of you guys may know I'm a river fisherman at heart, and one of the great options that the pivot drive gives you is, especially in shallow water, where you're fishing an area that maybe is really rocky, you've got log jams, things like that, but of course we all know that's where some fish tend to live. I can pull the pivot drive up, fish those areas, glide through, maybe shoot a shoal or a current scene, and then I can quickly drop that pivot drive right back down to cover long, deep stretches of water that maybe aren't as productive. I've also been very impressed with the build quality of the pivot drive itself. I've put mine through quite a bit of rigorous testing, if you will, in shallow, rocky rivers, nasty oyster bars and salt water. I've run over plenty of log jams in the rivers while I was fishing in Louisiana, as well as here in the rivers at home in South Carolina, and the pivot drive has held up incredibly well. One of the cool things about the pivot drive on the NuCanoe is your ability to hold and fish offshore structure. One of the great things is that right there. It allows you to do target fish like this that live offshore, where it's very, very hard to keep a paddle boat in position to target these guys. But that right there gets the job done.